Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are going to be doing our mini Mondays. Now we're going to be doing this a little bit differently today. I have this new binder here that I am planning on using, and I'm going to go through each envelope and roll the die, and each, oh my gosh, I can't explain this well. Whatever I roll, that envelope is getting that amount. So this is a binder that I'll actually be selling, guys, as part of a butterfly box. So this is the first time that I'm officially telling y'all anything about this. It's not completely done yet or ready to go because I was just working on my Ko-fi membership mailings. So now that those are mailed out, I can start focusing on this. But this will be a box with butterfly themed, and so it has not. This is like probably the main thing is like a binder, and the binder is just plain, like it's just pretty purple and blue, and I added this sticker myself, but it'll have other things in the box like some stationery stuff, and of course butterfly themed savings challenges, probably a couple scratch offs and some minis and tinies. I'm not quite sure yet. So, but anyways, so I'm going to use this binder for my mini Mondays and we're going to get started. I have $30 here today, and let's see what challenge number 1 is getting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So challenge number 2 is $1. Okay. Number 3 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 4 is getting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Oh my gosh, my numbers. It's getting 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 6 is getting 1. All right, we're going to start at the beginning again. So how are y'all doing? How was your weekend? I hope y'all had a great time for Easter, if you celebrated Easter. I hope that you guys enjoyed time with family and maybe had some fun Easter egg hunts or something. Okay, well, we'll just put 2 in here. All right. And I'm going to put a little paper clip that we left off here. We left off on this challenge. All right, so let's go through and see what we ended up saving for each challenge. All right, so the first challenge is my Disco Bunny challenge, and we saved $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 with this challenge. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for being here. 2, 4. Oh, I thought this was orange. That's weird. That was weird. Okay, so 2, 4 is what we needed. And we have $2 extra here. So with this challenge, we have 21, 2, 3, and 4. And this today is the 18th. We saved $24. Okay, so as I was saying, if you are new to my channel, or new to the budgeting community, these savings challenges I use to save for and cash stuff my sinking funds for next month. So I do what I can. I save usually $30 every Monday for my sinking funds for next month, and that's what this money goes to. So this next challenge is by Restoration by Autumn. We ended up saving $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. So we're going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little chickies. And so we currently have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so $12 so far in this challenge. Amazing. Also, guys, I went through and I unzipped all of my pouches before starting this video today, because I always struggle, as you know, with the zippers to get them undone. Oh my goodness. So today I was like, not today, not today. All right, this challenge is a collaboration between Laura at Teacher Mom Budgets, Valerie at Cash Budget Retiree, Sarah at Sarah Saves 07, and Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets. And they each have done some challenges for us. So I'm working on this one right now. We have saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to finish it today. Yay. Okay. So total for this challenge, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. That is amazing. And let me just color these in real fast. You guys can be off camera for this. Or not off camera, but I'm going to speed it up. Okay, so $20 saved with this challenge. We finished this on 4/18, $20. Okay, I don't know if you noticed, my nails are way shorter. I had to cut them down because I've had several school assignments that I've been working on this past week, doing a lot of typing, and I could type with them, but I was making a lot of mistakes and I was like getting frustrated. So I just cut them off. I was like, I have to type these assignments. And I was getting a little stressed because, y'all, I goofed and I didn't realize that I had an assignment due like a couple weeks ago, and it's my major portfolio for the end of the year. It's like my comp exam basically, and I didn't submit it at all. I totally forgot about it. So I'm trying to do all of that before Sunday. And so yeah, I've been a little bit stressed the past few days, but it's all good. I think I'll get it done. I think I have the hardest part done. I just need to finish it, wrap it up. It's just time consuming. It's not really hard, but time consuming for sure. Okay, this one is by Angela Marie, and we are saving $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 with this one today. Okay, so we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 with Angela Marie. All right, next we have this slothy guy eating an ice cream. And this one is by Wild Everest Co. And we saved 1, 2, 3, but we have $3 over here. So I think we're gonna add these to this challenge. And let me get my hot pink marker because I feel like this would go well with his glasses. So let's do 2 of these 3s here, since these are the big numbers. And this is just so fun. It reminds me, it just makes me excited for summer. And the vibes, I feel like the vibes are going to be good this summer. This sloth, he's manifesting the vibes, so they better be good. They better be good, y'all. No, but I am excited because I'm going to be done with my degree, which is going to feel so amazing. I don't honestly know what I'm going to do with myself because for the past few years, I've just been cranking out the schoolwork. Oops, my butterfly just flew away. Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh. It was like, I'm out of here. I do not want to be part of this. Okay, this one is by Party Planner Papery. And we are saving $1 with this today. $1. I love these pastel Sharpies, guys. These are so pretty. I stopped myself the other day from buying more Sharpies at the store. I was very proud of myself. I was like, that's progress. All right, and we're gonna do, the middle is gonna be this orange. Okay, pretty, so cute. Okay, so anyways, that is that challenge by Party Planner Pippery, and that is it for our Mini Mondays. I will get a couple new challenges in here for next time. We are putting these two in our completed challenges bag, and I hope y'all have a good rest of your day, a good week. I hope it's a good start to your week, and I will see you tomorrow for Tiny Tot Tuesdays. Bye! Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our Tiny Tuesdays. I'm gonna make this a pretty quick video, guys. So let's get rolling. Each challenge is gonna get $2. Whatever challenge the dice tells us to land on. I hope y'all are having a great Tuesday, and probably by the time I get this uploaded, I don't know if I'll get it uploaded tonight, guys. I'm already behind on my Mini Mondays this week, so I'm playing catch up a little bit. But that's okay, we're doing what we can. How are y'all doing though? How was y'all's Easter? I hope y'all had a great celebration if you celebrated, time with family. Hope y'all had a great weekend either way. Aria and I had so much fun. I did get very sunburnt. I think I had sun poisoning actually yesterday. But feeling better now. Just got too much sun, you know, and my pale skin, that happens. So, all right, this first challenge is by Budget with Amanda. Each bunny is $1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to set this dollar to the side, and we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's correct. So I'm going to color in these little bunnies, and we are done with this one. Today is 4/22, and we said $9, right? Is that correct? I think so. All right, so that challenge is completed. Next challenge, number 2, is this one by Overthinking and Budgeting. Each circle is $2, and we got 2 today. So we're going to add that to this, cross out one of these, and let's count and see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. And that one we're still working on. Okay, this next one is by Wild Everest Co. We're starting this one, so lovely little beach scene here. We have $2. Let's make each one of these worth 2, since there's not very many of them. We'll color in this cute little shell. This makes me want it to be summertime already. We're getting there, we're getting there. Okay. Then we have this one by Budget with Carly. This one is a new one too, because I guess we completed a lot of challenges last week, didn't we? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and each one of these is just going to be 1. Keep it easy, keep it simple. Next we have this lovely butterfly one by Beach Life Budgeting, and we have $2. So 1 and 2. I love those little butterflies. Those are cute. Okay, next we have this little bunny one by Plan to Save Designs, and it's a roll and save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do 2 a piece. 2, 4, 6. All right. There we go. And that is it for our Tiny Tuesdays. We complete. Oh, no, wait. I almost forgot. I need to put this somewhere. Hold on. I can't really finish any challenges, so let's do this one. Since these ones are each 1, we'll just add it to that one. There you go. Easy peasy. All right, now that is it for our Tiny Tuesdays. But before you go, let me show you. I did get a piece of Happy Mail today. Where did I put it? Okay, this is by Budget with Carly, and it is her Iced Baby Scratch Off Challenge. It saves $60, and this is the final piece of mail that came in for my giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. So if you are not subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe so that you can enter the giveaway when I post it. I'll be posting that soon now that I have all the components ready to go. And I'm excited to share some of these items with y'all, and thank you for your support. So if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and put an iced coffee emoji if there's that, or the regular coffee one. I appreciate you guys. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.